Right?
Okay, we're ready.
No countdown. 3, 2, 1.
No.
Okay, it's going.
It's going.
Okay. What this is a demonstration of triple point. Triple point is in physics where a liquid, a solid, and a gas occur at the same time. And that's naturally occurring. Of course, there is the fourth state of matter, which is plasma, but that requires extra energy. So what I'm going to do here is put in cyclohexane, which is a chemical that is used to produce nylon. And what I'll do is put it in this flask, put it in a vacuum, and you will see the triple point occur. If it works. Always got to throw that little zinger in there. Okay. Okay. So right now that is cyclohexane in a liquid state. And it's going to get a little noisy, Sally, when the compressor starts. So what I'm going to do is reduce the pressure in this vessel with a vacuum pump to actually create this to boil because of the ambient temperature around here. This boils normally at 177 degrees, but by reducing the the vacuum in here, by putting in a vacuum, it will boil at a lot less temperature. And the more reduction of vacuum occurs, the more quickly it'll start to boil. So we will put that in there and here. Okay, so we have our vacuum pump here hooked up. Now I'm going to start it. And then I'm going to introduce the vacuum. I'm going to reduce it a little bit. We're on full vacuum. I'm going to bring in the vacuum. And if you watch the cyclohexane, now, a vacuum is being occurred in this vessel. And it'll take just a minute or two here. And as you can see, it's starting to boil. It's starting to boil because of the ambient temperature is hot enough now that liquid is starting to boil. Instead of 177 degrees, this temperature around here is causing it to boil. So we are having liquid boiling into a gas. And then once the energy from the boiling reduces, it will freeze. So we will have the solid, liquid, and gas. And if you look here quickly, you see that it's starting to frost around the perimeter. It's turning into a solid. So we have a solid, the liquid, and the gas boiling off at the same time. That's the triple point. And pretty soon it'll become completely solid because all the energy to boil has been removed. So now it can't do anything but freeze solid. But if I reduce that pressure, or lack of, it will then start to, because of the ambient temperature, start to warm back up and turn into a liquid again. Isn't that cool? Okay.